Okay, so I'm at my school right now, and I found these two barred wall mount units outside, in which both of them are not running. So, yeah, so here's this one. It's a barred outdoor unit, is what it looks like. Barred wall mount. Let me show you the insides before. I don't know if it will click on or not. So inside we have the fan motor. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the fan and there's the compressor. It's got a Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. That's what it looks like. So we'll head over here. Here's another barred. This one's also off. Yeah, it's got the same thing too. Fan motor, fan, and compressor. It's another Copeland scroll. Those have not been running. So we'll take you to the tracks. Man, it's cold out here, so I'm gonna film real quick. The police car's right there. Ooh, I don't want to get busted. Here are the 4 barred units. I'm pretty sure some of them are running or not. I don't know. I think I hear one running. Let me show you real quick before I get busted. It's just a police car right there. I hope not. If you hear the sound, it's just a chiller. Man, it looks abandoned here. Here are the 4 units. Pretty high up there. This one's running. It's been malfunctioning lately. This one is not working really well. Oh. It's just the sound of a compressor. I'm not sure if it's defrosting or not. Whoa. Sorry about that. Yeah, this one, I don't think it's working very well. You've just noticed that one is malfunctioning. Gosh. I hear one running. This one's off, but the blades are spinning by the wind. I hear this one running. This is the one I filmed. It started up and shut down, but this one's running. Yep. Fan spinning with the compressor. It's working really well. Yep, it's running. That's the one at my class. This barred is running. And this one's off. Anyways, thanks for watching. Alarm Gang out.